I'll be teaching you how to verify your Audiomack account in this video. You are new here on this channel. I'm Clean, aka Superstar Trap Boy. You're welcome to my channel. Kindly click on the subscribe button below and don't forget to click on the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop videos like this. If you're interested in knowing how to verify your Audiomack account, now let's get into the video. Okay, right now I'll show you the step and the requirement you need to verify your Audiomack account. As you can see, my account, I'm an authenticated creator already. You can see I have a tick on my picture. I'm already an authenticated creator. So now let me show you how to verify your account, your Audiomack account. Okay, hope you can see. Congrats, you are an authenticated creator. Learn more about getting verified. Yeah. Okay, how do I get verified? Hope you can see it. When applying for verification, threshold for eligibility as displayed on the creator dashboard are have the story having 500,000 plays and 1,000 followers. So you have to have up to 500,000 plays and 1k followers for you to be eligible for consideration. But that doesn't mean you that doesn't guarantee the verification. You get me? You can see verification is not still guaranteed. Users caught buying plays or followers will automatically be banned from the process. So don't make any mistake of buying followers or plays, because Audiomack will surely catch you. Aside from plays and followers, users should also have the following when applying for verification. Like you should have completed profile with recent profile picture and header. Hope you get it. Links to as many social media as possible. You have to link all your social medias to your account. A social media presence that is a positive reflection of your artist career. That means you also have a social media, for example, your Instagram account. It has to show that you are an artist. You understand me? You can't just post about maybe you selling clothes on social media. Audiomack will check all that. You have to prove that you're an artist on social media platform, even maybe it's on Twitter or YouTube. You get me? And you have to have at least 2 official releases on Audiomack. Hope you're getting the steps right. Beyond this criteria, Audiomack will do their own research to straight. There is no way to guarantee verification will be granted. I hope you understand what I mentioned here in this video. If you have all these requirements, then you are good to go. You can verify your Audiomack account. Now, thanks for watching this video. Can you click on the like button and let me know what you think in the comment section? And if you haven't subscribed yet, can you click on the subscribe button below and don't forget to click on the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop videos like this. So once again, I'm Superstar Trap Boy. Meet you in the next video. Peace.